Hey guys, it is time for reading today, and we are still working on how to master paired passages. So let's review the steps of what we are going to, how you master these passages. So, step one, when you see two passages on any test, you are going to read the first passage and answer the questions from only that passage. So, this week on Monday, you did this paper right here. And it said use Dr. Majors to answer the following questions. So you on Monday, you did not even have to read Take Care of Your Teeth at all. Then yesterday, you read, or you did Tuesday. So use Take Care of Your Teeth to answer the following questions. So you didn't have to reread Dr. Majors. You should have only read Take Care of Your Teeth, because on Wednesday or on Tuesdays, when we get to passage 2, you're going to read only that passage and answer the questions from only that passage. Because on the STAR test, you're going to get all of this all together. So don't tire yourself out and do more work. Only read the passage and answer the questions that go with that specific passage. And then when you finish the questions for passage 1 only, like on Monday, when you finish the questions for passage 2 only, like on Tuesday, Wednesday, today, you're going to reread both passages and analyze the connection between the two, which we're going to do together. And then when you go off to do your independent work, you are going to reread both passages and answer the questions from both passages. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So you're going to do 2 pages today, both Wednesday, where you're going to reread both passages and answer the questions that go with both of them. So you'll do Wednesdays and you'll do Thursdays, since tomorrow is our Valentine's party. So it says to use both of them. So you're going to reread both passages. Well, I want to work with you on step 3. So you did step 1 on Monday. You did step 2 on Tuesday. But now let's talk about the connection between the two of these passages. So I want you to get out a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper, I want you to draw a Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram is 2 very large circles. At the top of the one on the left, I want you to write Dr. Majors, because that's passage number 1. And I want you to write Take Care of Your Teeth on the second one. So on step number 3, when it tells you to analyze the connection between the two, your strategy can be to do a quick Venn diagram where you talk about the things that are different, which goes on the outside, and the things that are the same, which goes on the inside. So our first step on step number 3 was we have to reread both passages. So let's go ahead and let's reread both passages. And as I'm reading, I'm going to be thinking, how are the passages the same? And how are the passages different? So let's go ahead and let's start. Dr. Majors. John wasn't very happy about being at the dentist's office. He could think of a few things that he hated more, but he had a bad tooth that needed to be removed. The doctor gave him a shot and some laughing gas, so he wouldn't really remember the procedure. Dr. Majors began to drill on the infected tooth. John was so groggy that the drill looked like a huge machine used to bust up concrete. He flinched as the doctor tried to finish the procedure. Dr. Majors knew that John was just nervous, so she chuckled as she reassured him that everything would be all right. Now let's read selection 2. Take care of your teeth. Many people go years without visiting the dentist. Some people are afraid to go. Others don't have the money to spend. Whatever the reason, visiting the dentist is important. Here is a proven link between overall health and good oral hygiene, or care of your teeth. If a person chooses not to go to the dentist, he or she could suffer from bad breath, diseases like of the gums, tooth loss, and many other serious conditions. Tips for the teeth. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Use dental floss to clean your teeth at least once a day. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. Cut down on sugary foods and drinks, and visit your dentist regularly. So right off the bat, I noticed something that they have in common. They both talk about the dentist, right? And they both talk about, let me look. Going to the dentist office. It's really just a dentist, but we can also say visiting. I'm going to say visiting the dentist. Okay, that just gives it a little bit more. So what did you notice about the genre of Dr. Majors? Fiction or nonfiction? Dr. Majors was definitely fiction. So write fiction on this side. What about take care of your teeth? Fiction or nonfiction? It's definitely nonfiction because it gives me facts about teeth. So real quickly, I'm going to write something here about Dr. Majors, what happened in it. So in Dr. Majors, John went to the dentist. And in this one, it tells us facts about going to the dentist. It also tells us about oral hygiene. And this one, it just tells us that John was nervous about the drill. So, yes, these two were very different. But the reason they're making them a paired passage is because they have a similar topic, and that's what they're going to do to you all the time. These two were fiction and nonfiction, a story about going to the dentist and facts about the dentist and oral hygiene. But their similarities is they all talk about the dentist and what was going on in the dentist. So now that we have compared the two passages together and we've analyzed why would they put these two passages together? That's what we're thinking in our brains. Why did they choose these two? You're going to do step 4 by yourself. You're going to reread both passages and answer the questions that require details from both of them. So today, you're going to go on your assignment and you're going to reread Dr. Majors and Take Care of Your Teeth. And then you're going to answer the questions that are meant for on Wednesday and the questions that are for Thursday. And when you're done, you're going to take a picture of it or click the little PDF button and turn it in. All right, guys, I love y'all so much. I know that was a quick little lesson, but we kind of did our whole, so in reality, for your STAR test, you're going to do all of the steps in one day with the passages, but we have done it one step at a time over the past week. So today, you're just putting it all together and doing both of the passage questions. All right, I love y'all so much, and I hope you have a great day.